under your shirt?
No, I'm not showing you what's
Come on, show me what's under your shirt. I'm a big B, small C. Am I right? You decide. Oh, hey! Hey! Hey, when you're a cracker, how do you lose your driver's license?
By getting arrested.
Can you not see I'm standing in the spotlight? Okay, twat waffle, shut it. Hey, when you're a crack whore, how do you get arrested?
I'd say by sucking a stranger's penis.
Funny stuff. Professional comic in the house. Yeah, you like that, huh? One more word out of you and I swear on my pin's catalog I will shake you.
Oh God, yes!
Officer Spockowski here to tell you, you are sprung.
Oh, thank God. Oh. Hey, when you're a crack whore, how do you know you're a crack whore?
I don't know,
Me neither.